Hi, today I'm Ashley Christian. I'm gonna talk about the sunrise. Let's start the ranch sunrise. One of the California builders' most passionate and stylish one-story homes. It's a 2,100 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and 2 car garage, all on one level. Step into the central hallway that leads to a huge 11 times 28 feet living dining area and a smart 11 times 16 feet kitchen. The master bedroom is 13 times 20 feet with a skylight private bath and walk-in closet. 2 more 8 times 17 feet bedrooms. Share a full bath, perfect for family or guests. Light built, flexible, and super functional. If you want to learn more, contact those friends. We enjoy you watching this video. Bye.